Hey, it's Patti Allred here in North Carolina, and I wanted to just let you know, first and foremost, Happy New Year. Listen, if you're still struggling with finding the right home business, online business for you, hit me up. There are so many out there that there's one for you. Listen, what I do is I let you talk to me for a few minutes and I figure out what it is that you're looking for or would be a good fit. And then I guide you to something that's out there. And that's totally up to you whether you do it or not. And it may be one that I am doing, it may be one that I'm not doing. But what I do is guide you to those that I know are proven and profitable. Now, that's not going to be simple, but it's going to be easy if you follow the directions. And anything that I send you to should have step by step directions from people that know what they're doing. And if you can follow directions, you can do it. Hey, we learned that in pre-K, kindergarten, follow directions. Some of us did it well, some of us didn't. But anyway, listen, let's make 2023 amazing, the start of amazing years to come. I've got links below that you can check out. You can message me and you can book a call with me. Hey, I'm here for you. Listen, it's Patti in North Carolina, and I'm here to help you that are struggling with finding the right online business and helping you make life easier. Always choose happy. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.